On April 13, 1919, a tragic incident occurred in Amritsar in Punjab. More than 500 innocent people were killed and 1500 or more were wounded in firing by the British Army in a cold-blooded manner. Children, women, elderly, no one was spared. It is known as the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, one of the most gruesome and violent events in the history of India's struggle for independence. Why did that crowd gather there on that day? What is the Rowlatt Act? Who were the people responsible for this massacre? What happened to British officers responsible for this barbarism? How did this impact India's freedom struggle? Let's try to understand. Welcome to Pathanti, Gyan Ka Microdose. Jallianwala Bagh was a public garden in the heart of Amritsar. On 13th April 1919, thousands of people gathered there to celebrate Baisakhi, a festival that marks the beginning of the harvest season. What was meant to be a joyous occasion turned into a massacre that left hundreds dead and thousands injured. But why did this happen? What led to Jallianwala Bagh massacre? To understand this, we will have to go back almost a month before this massacre. An oppressive and barbaric act, the Rowlatt Act, also called the Black Act by Indians, was passed on March 10, 1919, authorizing the British government to imprison or confine without a trial any person associated with seditious activities. This led to a nationwide protest. Gandhiji started Satyagraha to protest against the Rowlatt Act. On April 13, 1919, the public had gathered to celebrate Baisakhi at Jallianwala Bagh. However, the British claimed that it was a political gathering but still a peaceful one. General Dyer ordered his troops to open fire on the unarmed crowd gathered in Jallianwala Bagh. The soldiers fired continuously for about 10 minutes, killing hundreds and injuring thousands. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre was a turning point in India's struggle for independence. It led to widespread condemnation of British rule in India and brought the Indian independence struggle to the forefront of international attention. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre will always be remembered as a dark chapter in the Indian history, but it also serves as a reminder of the resilience and determination of the Indian people in the struggle for freedom. On March 13, 1940, at Caxton Hall in London, Indian freedom fighter Udham Singh avenged Jallianwala Bagh massacre by killing Michael O'Dwyer. He had approved General Dyer's action and was believed to have been the main planner of this massacre. Microdose. That's all about the Jallianwala Bagh massacre and many such heavy prices we Indians had to pay to win our freedom. We hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.